how I boil my eggs. I'm gonna put boiling water onto my eggs. The reason why boiling water, I've read somewhere they said if your water, if you use boiling water on your eggs, it takes it in now. Then I'll cook my eggs. I will time it with use to see if the theory is right. Whenever we boil eggs, we put salt in the water. I don't know why. I never bothered to look it up, to Google it up. But I think I must Google it up. But I didn't put salt in that water. My mommy and grandma always told us, Sal, don't sit to the egg when you peel it. So I'm going to put my salt in now. Timer on for 10 minutes. Tell me now it's preventing the egg shell sticking to the egg when you peel it. So there on 10. It's boiling now. Off. I'll leave it in there for 10 minutes. Then when I peel, I bang my eggs when I put it in the cold water. I give it such a bang like this. Then while it's getting cold, it's not a hard procedure when I peel it. Some toast bread with my egg mayonnaise. Oh, 1 or 2 eggs quickly just to see if the theory is working about salt in the water, using boiling water, and all that jazz. Come and see. Is it a bit? No, it's not all. See there? It's just peeling off. Okay. Okay. Can we do another one? That is quite, no? Now you don't. Salt. Boiling water. Leave it for 10 minutes. Cold water. You must bang it. And your eggs is ready. Literally. Just falling off the skin. Hoe die mense gaan my nou weer uitlag want ek sê skin. It's the shells. No? I grated my eggs. I don't like